Hello and welcome to this new video on how to archive Reddit. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Reddit. It is available in both App Store as well as the Play Store. Now you just have to go to the community that you have created previously. So in order to reach to the community, you just have to look at the top left corner. There is an 3-line icon. Just click on the 3-line icon, and under the moderating topic there will be the community that you have created, or as you can see there is your communities and it will show the communities that you have created. And I'll just click on the community, and when the community is opened, in the top right corner there is an mod tools option. Just click on that mod tools and you just have to scroll down a little bit and you will see there is an archive post. You just have to click on the archive post option and you just have to enable it. In order to enable it, on the right hand side there is a button. You can just click on the button and you will be able to enable it, and you will be able to archive the post on the Reddit. So this is how you can easily archive on Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.